Another comparison video.
Dr. Dennis responded after a week of silence, and by then I had already moved on. If you're new here, I created a video last week telling about my experience using the LED Dr. Dennis mask for a year and a half. It died the night before my professional photo shoot, and I did my best to resolve it with the support team, and unfortunately, after lack of communication for some amount of time, I started to do research and I moved on. Upon my reaching out to the support team, they did offer me a 25% discount towards a repurchase of the very same mask. I emailed them confirming that I accepted the 25% off offer because, as you could see in the last video, I had an amazing experience using the mask. So I wanted to repurchase. I wanted to stay loyal, a trooper person. You know, that's just who I am. Like, if I love you, I love you. I'm gonna rock with you. And so I tried to resolve it. They extended a 25% discount. I said, yes, let's go. Swipe my card. And no one responded to me for a week. That negligence was a big turnoff for me. I don't like that. Like, poor customer service will do it for me every time. Bye. Clearly, they don't value me as a customer, or clearly there's no urgency behind this at all whatsoever from their end. This is something that's very important to me. I'm eager to get this resolved because I'm eager to resume my wellness routine. So I started to open my mind again and do a bit more research. That is when I came across this very new mask, and I'm very, very excited about it. I cannot wait to tell you more. What really mattered to me in replacing this was being able to still travel with it. I travel a lot, and this one has a traveling box that you can purchase to put it in. I have a traveling box for my previous mask. It was only $14 on Amazon, so it's fine to let that go. I can use it for other electronics. It has all three lights, the red, blue, and the amber lighting. It's like a cooling under eye feature, which I'm obsessed about. It has vibrations. It has all these different features. It's a lot more hard, and it has a bigger span, so it covers the parameter of my entire face. It also covers my mouth. The Dr. Dennis mask did not cover the mouth. It was open, and so that means everything around here wasn't being treated. And what they would do is sell a separate device to be able to treat this, but this mask treats the entire surface of my face, so that was already more bang for the buck. Another reason I considered it is because it ended up being about the same price had Dr. Dennis given me the 25% off that they had originally offered, so I went for it. Another thing that made this mask very credible to me was because they're a credible brand. It's by TheraBody, who also produces the TheraGun, which is quite viral online. It's something that you can kind of use all over your face and do spot treating. I am a face mask girly. I want the entire surface to be worked on and to be even at the same exact time. So this was exactly what I was looking for. It also is just a mask that you can charge, and it has no cord to walk around with. It comes with adjustable straps, and I was kind of concerned about that considering I have this like curly fro, but the mask fits my head perfectly. It's comfortable and it adjusts, and it's not like a grippy kind of Velcro that would like really stick to your hair and pull it out. It's this very soft but still sturdy Velcro. It's thick straps. I really, really like it. I'm very excited about it, and it's not too heavy either. It has a nice weight to it. It's pretty light. I really love it. I've only used it once, but I'm really excited to continue to implement it into my journey. Unboxing it was fab. It was very well packaged. It comes with the mask and the USB cord that goes with it, and it's a newer USB, the same one that is applicable to like the more recent iPhones, like i15 Pro and up. It's that USB cord. You need that particular block to charge it. It feels very sturdy. Already, I do like the way that it feels and covers my face in comparison to the Dr. Dennis mask, for the very reason of the coverage. Like, this is my Dr. Dennis mask, right? So you can still see around my eyes, you can see my mouth and my nose, which is helpful for breathing. And one thing I will say, it's a little bit more of a challenge to breathe through this because everything is blocked in, but it's kind of like just sit down and stay still. Like with my Dr. Dennis mask, I'd be up walking around. With this one, it's like, I can, but I'm a little bit huffing and puffing. But this is full coverage, like full complete coverage. It comes with like goggles inside the eye part. It's very sturdy. It's very beautiful. I'm so excited about this. Something really cool is, so on the Dr. Dennis mask, to start it, you would tap the front. With this mask, you tap the sides. So one side controls the lighting, the red, blue, or the amber lighting. The other side controls the vibration. So it kind of like gives you a head massage, live vibration. You can use it to put yourself into a meditative state while you're doing it. Each round is about 12 minutes. So Dr. Dennis was 3 minutes per round. This one is 12 minutes. So it's definitely a more immersive experience. Very well fitted for me as I'm really into wellness rituals and routines. I'm happy to commit to 12 minutes per lighting session, especially if I know that it's going to give me the results that I need. It's also very simple to use. I took it out of the box, I flipped it over. You can see where the cord goes in underneath the eye patch, and you plug it in, and then boom, voila, it's it. You can already tell I'm so excited about this implementation into my wellness routine. I will definitely report back to you and give you progress on how it's going, what the results are looking like, how much I love it, would I still recommend this. Thus far, I'm so glad about my decision because, again, I beat the price I was originally going to be paying for a replacement. It's a sturdier mask with far more coverage than I was receiving from Dr. Dennis. Now, the one thing I need to hang on for is it going to give me these lasting results? Are the lights, are the rays, are the LEDs, is the infrared going to be as impactful as I'm really, really hoping for? And that's another reason why I liked it. Of course, it's red, blue, and infrared lighting. So very excited. As you can see, we're embarking on a new beauty journey, and I'm so happy you're here. If you watched my Dr. Dennis video, you know how this story started. And if you haven't, go watch it first. The link is in the description. And if you've ever broken up with a skincare investment, drop it below in the comments. I want to hear all about it. Like and subscribe. See you next Sunday.